How to use Snapchat Web on phone. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about using the Snapchat Web on phone. For that, you need to go ahead and open any web browser that you like on your phone. Type in web.snapchat.com in the search bar and hit search. This will take you to the official website of Snapchat for web. You can see the indication that you can use the Snapchat for web on your computer at www.snapchat.com/web. You can share this link to anyone that you like or share or copy for yourself. Open a computer and then use it on your PC or laptop. So Snapchat Web is better on computers, but you can still chat and message on your phone's browser. To use all Snapchat features like the camera and filters, you can go ahead and use the Snapchat app. And for a better experience, try requesting the desktop version of the site in your browser settings as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.